What is going on, everybody? Dan Lex here, back with another video. In today's video we are going to be going to pick up my next package from the mail or the post office. In the last video I did say I had more stuff coming for the Civic and that I would not be putting the coilovers on until this package came. You know, mainly because I want to put them on kind of at the same time, or at least want to have it before I put the coilovers on. And also I need a place to put the coilovers on because I don't have a house. I can't do it here at the hotel in their parking garage. But yeah, man, you guys are really gonna like this video and you're going to see what I'm going to be unboxing for the Civic today. I'm pretty excited. This is actually the first time I'm buying anything like this for any car I've owned, so it's pretty exciting for me, and I hope you guys like it too. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the post office and pick up the package, then probably go to either my sister's house or a friend's house if I can find an available house to go to and unbox them there, and also just showcase what I got to not just you guys but to whoever's house I go to, I guess. I'm just kind of winging it right now because I don't know where I'm gonna go to do this unboxing, but I need to go somewhere that's not this hotel and not their garage. So yeah, we'll figure that out. Whew, man, a couple hours later, man, I was doing a bunch of running around just to figure out where this thing was because my GPS was acting all stupid. But I finally ended up getting my wheels, but not all of them. I don't know what's going on with the UPS. I gotta pick up my other two wheels at their UPS center because they, you know, attempted to deliver my wheels to my old house, which, if you don't already know, I don't live there anymore. And I told them I don't live there, but they still attempted to deliver it there. It's whatever though, because, you know, I got these two and they told me where I can pick up the other two maybe within the next hour, because it's still, the hell is this on my camera lens? Yeah, so I can go ahead and attempt to pick up the other two at their delivery center once the driver gets back to the center. These are the box with the two wheels so far. So once I get the other two, I'll go ahead and do the unboxing and show you guys how they are looking. And I'm so glad I haven't opened the box yet because I want to make it as big of a surprise as I can once I have all four wheels. So I want to see it so bad, but I'm not gonna open it just yet so that oh man, I'm just too excited, bro, too excited. So UPS gave me a call and they said that I can come pick up the rest of the packages. Damn, bro, it's all this stuff on my lens. They said I can come pick up the rest of the packages at 7 o'clock. They close at 7:30 today, so literally right before they close. I'm not gonna wait that long to finish this video. I really want to get this video done so that I can, you know, showcase this. Plus I want to open this myself, and I don't want to wait till 7 at night and I can't film it. So we're just gonna open up the first of the two boxes that came. And if you haven't guessed already, you know, it's 4 boxes. They're pretty big boxes. Yes, they are new wheels for the Honda. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys and showcase it to you. And yeah, let's see how they look. This will be my first time opening the box. I haven't even looked at them yet. Usually I look at them before I film them, but let's just see how they came out. All right, got some scissors here. Open that up. Go. Alright, out the way. Just cut that open. Just got it right here. Oh boy. Oh man. It's like it also came with some hardware here. Put these scissors down. have to look at that later. Wow, no. This is unreal. This is my first time like buying wheels for any of my cars, so this is kind of unreal for me. I'm pretty excited, I'm not gonna lie. Just put these corners so we can take this bad boy out. Oh man. Oh man. Just rip this. I can show you guys. Yes sir. Wow, these things are beautiful, bro. Oh my gosh. I did not expect them to come out this good. Dude, look at that. And these are Odin wheels, or Odhan. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. But yeah, these wheels, they've been on my mind. I've been wanting to actually get these wheels, or these wheel company wheels, for the IS when I had my IS. So I went ahead and just looking around for the Civic and see what they had, and this one really caught my eye. Wow, bro, that is nice. So I only have 2 of them right now, but yeah, man, I can't wait to go pick up the other ones, bro. And slap these on the Civic. They're gonna look so good. Wow, bro, I am super excited that I got these. Like this is a first time for me, just getting wheels in general. Like, just, I don't even know what to say. Feels like Christmas right now. First time ever getting wheels for any of my cars, and it's the Civic. And I went with a company that I really liked, because I've seen their wheels on other cars as well. Just name a few. Zuvi, he has them on his Civic, and VT Bobby, his IS300, he has Odin wheels, however you pronounce it, on his car as well. So I've been looking at their wheels for quite some time. I was going to get some for my IS300 when I had it. I was like, why not get some for the Civic, because I was already planning on getting wheels from this company in the first place. And man, am I glad that I did. Wow, these things look nice, bro. They look nice, nice, nice. These wheels, they are 16 by 8. I went with 16 instead of 15s or 17s, because in my personal opinion, I think the 16 is like a good size, like a good in-between to the 15 and 17s. I feel like the 17s are too big, but then the 15s are too small for the Civic. That's just my opinion, so I went ahead and got 16s. I have 17s right now on the Civic, and those look pretty big. Let me show you guys. You know, they're not too bad. They just, I don't know, in my opinion, they look too big. This is stock height, and you can see it's, you know, not that much of a wheel gap here in the rear. It kind of looks like it's, if you look like over here, you know, it's almost tucking. In the front, there's pretty big. It's a pretty sizable wheel gap in the front, though, I'm not gonna lie. That's what I got the coilovers for. But I just think, in my opinion, that the 16 would be the best you know, wheel for me, or the best wheel size for me, because that's personally how I think I would like for it to be on the Civic, because I've seen Civics with 15s and they look too small to me. 17s look too big, because I have 17s on the car right now. So 16 is where it's at least for me it is. But man, am I excited that these wheels are finally here, bro. Wow, these are so nice, bro. The little gold accents just really add to the wheel. Yeah, man, pretty excited. I can't wait to put these wheels on the Civic and see how they come out. I do need to put the coilovers on, but I also need to get some tires to wrap around these rims, or these wheels, so I can put the coils on the Civic and make it look clean. And then I'm also going to get an SI wing, you know, because it looks a little naked without a wing on it. I am mind blown about how good these came out. If you guys have any recommendations as for like tires to put on these, I'd be glad to hear them. You know, I'm not really trying to spend too much in general on the Civic, because it is just going to be a daily, just a nice looking one. So I guess you could say it is kind of a budget build, but it's not really going to be a full-on build. It's just to make it look nice, and then that's it. It's just going to be a daily car. So yeah, just trying to make this car look nice on the budget. These wheels are not that expensive. They're actually a really good price, these wheels, and I'm pretty glad that I got a set of four for such a good price. Coilovers didn't cost a lot either. Yeah, man, Civic's gonna come along. Might get a paint job on the Civic soon. I don't know how soon, but soon, coming soon. Just gotta save up some money for that. I'm not gonna get no expensive paint job. Maybe like a, I don't know, I might just do a the common Mako video. Our Mako paint job is really that bad? I guess we could find out. I've never, you know, gone to Mako myself. I actually even gotten the car painted at all. So if it is a bad paint job, I can at least see firsthand what that is, or what defines a bad paint job. But yeah, guys, I am stoked to have these, man. Just look at those, bro. Look at those, man. Odin, or Odhan. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. If you guys know how to pronounce it, please let me know. But yeah, man, I am excited. And there's just so much more to come for the Civic, you know, look wise and maybe in the future build wise. But this is just the first steps for the Civic. Yeah, so if you guys did enjoy the video, please go ahead and like the video for me. Go ahead and smash the like button. It really does help out. If you want to continue to see more content, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, turn it gray for your boy. And if you don't already, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram at Dan_Lex. That way you can keep up with anything that I'm doing, like on social media and stuff like that, when I don't have any new videos out. And yeah, I'm super excited for the wheels, guys. I can't wait to put them on. It's gonna look so nice, and you know, it's coming out great. Like, I'm really happy how it's gonna be coming out. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Your boy is out.